We're going to show you how to activate your affiliate status and be able to get ready to be able to start sending out your links for people to register from different places. Now don't confuse it. There is registration link, right? That is where people will get be able to register and have their own account under you, right? And then there's affiliate link. Now affiliate link is the link you send to them where they will have your own replicated website. That's a site that looks like yours where they will actually learn everything, but whenever they click on buy now, it counts for you. Do you understand? So again, registration link is basically only just for it's only just for registration. That's it. It just creates the account and that's it. Affiliate links give them access to be able to either buy products or even register, and it will all be under you. Okay, so here is how you do it. The first step is you come to your menu, as you can see, then you scroll down to where we have affiliate site. I believe you can see it clearly, right? Affiliate site, then you click on it here. It's going to load and then it will bring you to the affiliate section. So let's hold on for my network. Right, so you can see you will find it under account details below here. As you can see, it's the 1 2 3 4 5 6, it's the 7th option here. So once you come down to affiliate details, you scroll down, then you will see get your own APLGO website as APLGO associate and start receiving commission. Check this box. Can you see? Now they will ask you for your WhatsApp link. Now please, this is not your number, it's the whole WhatsApp link. I have shortcut, so whenever in my phone that I type what's link, whenever I type what's link, it will appear. So okay, so this is my WhatsApp link, right? So make sure you copy the whole link completely. So and then you make sure you enter the whole links completely, right? It's not, they didn't ask for your username. If it's username, then you can actually enter just your username, but they said for them to just ask this, I think what they mean is the whole link. So some of you may have to go and get your username. This is mine. All right, Instagram, I always try to maintain the same one for all. HTTPS, it's important. So just insert your details, because they always have columns where they will ask you to where they will be like, do you want to connect with them? Click here to do so. So your nickname, I'll just put Sudevi /Sudevi group. Okay, I'll just leave it like this. Yes. Okay, so look, they also have a place where they ask you select the way your sales volume is used. Do you want it to keep counting for you to your upgrade? Like, I won't lie to you guys, this company is just amazing. Or do you want it to count to you as personal activity? So probably this will be for your PVs for months. It will be maintaining for you. So imagine sending your links to people, and then once they sign up, it's increasing your status from, it's already taking you from, let's say, from leader, taking you to mentor. You understand? So you select it. If you want it to be PV, you select personal activity. If you want it to be go status, that's to keep increasing you click on go status. For me, I think I'll leave it in go status. Then you click on save, right? Once you do that, the page will save, and you will now have your link. Again, affiliate link is like your replicated website. Do you understand? It's like your replicated. Let me click on save again. When I do that, I'll refresh the page and then I'll take a look at it and see. But I hope you understand the procedure. It's just simple. All you just have to do is just enter, just click on this check box, then you scroll. Okay, so let me try to refresh the page now. Yes, you can now see, wow, so you can see it has been set up. You can now see from my dashboard, client bonus active. Can you see? Then share. This is now my affiliate link. You can see APLGO J this, right? So as you can see, it's different now from the affiliate link. So I can just copy this now and drop it somewhere. So now once people start using my link to sign up, I'll start seeing my progress. This is the next this is the next progress I have to, because I'm currently 200, and then you can see it will start showing me, okay, somebody bought products of $50. Wow, you're 150, you're 350 away. You understand? So this is so nice. This is so nice. Okay, so now you can see what I was showing you. So when you come to affiliate site, can you now see it? So again, just make sure you copy this and start sending to people. So I hope you got value. I hope you understand it. If you have more questions, if you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to drop the topics for me, and I'll take out time to create contents like this for you. Right, in this our business, we have a mantra. It's a secret and subtle mantra, and it's we leave no one behind. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.